Hello good day friends, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be withdrawing the sum of 26.50 USDT on this new quantitative platform, which if you convert it to naira is going to be around 42,400 naira. Now in the next 1 week, this is what I'm going to be earning. That is, in the next 7 days I'm going to earn 185.5 USDT, which if I multiply it based on the conversion rate a dollar is to a naira is going to be around 296,800 naira. Now I'm going to withdraw what I'm going to make in this video directly into this wallet account, so you can see what I have in this current balance. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can register on this platform. Now do not fright. I know some of you might feel that okay, I don't have this capital to start with. Now you can start on this new quantitative platform with as low as 10 USDT and you are going to be earning an interest rate. I'm going to show you guys how you can register on this platform and all you need to know. Please make sure you pay good attention and understand how this thing works. Do not rush. Make sure you pay attention detailed to everything I'm going to do here. I understand that most people here, they just rush and just start into the platform. Make sure you watch everything I'm going to do. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. And you can also find your way to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video. I'm going to still guide you there. Now, how do you get started on this platform? After registration, I'm going to show you guys how to register at the latter end of this video because it's basically very simple. Now, what you need to do once you come here, you are going to see that there are different levels of upgrade. Now, each upgrade comes with an interest that you are going to earn per day. Now, you can start with as low as 10 USDT, 24 USDT. For me, I started with the VIP 3, which is around 96 USDT. You understand? So you can start with a lower capital, or you can even start with a higher capital, and you are going to earn interest per day. Now, how do you recharge here? You are just going to click on recharge. Please make sure you pay attention because I'm going to place a live withdrawal of that 26.50 USDT, and you are going to see it arrive directly to my wallet. Now, all you need to do, you can fund your account using USDT BEP20 network right here, or you can fund your account using a BNB, whatever network address that is best preferable by you, you can use them. But for me, I prefer to use USDT BEP20. So I'm going to encourage you to make use of USDT BEP20 depending on the network address that you have your capital. So after you are done recharging, remember before you recharge, you are going to choose the one that you want to go for, or you can just go for with my own plan. My own plan is 96 USDT. So after that, you are just going to click on tax. Now tax is the second icon counting from my left and the third icon counting from my right. There's an arrow pointing at it. Now after you are done with your recharge, you are just going to come here and click on to complete. So once you click on to complete, it's going to load up and it's going to give you what you are going to earn per day. You are going to see my earning now is completed. If I go to completed, you're going to see this is what I've earned. So I'm going to come back in the next 24 hours to always claim this. Now let me go back to my home. Home is the first icon counting from my right and the last icon counting from my is the first icon counting from my left and the last counting from my right. So if you click on your home, you're going to see that they say tax reset countdown. So every 24 hours you're going to come here and go to tax. So once you come every 24 hours and go to tax, you are going to see your earning interest, which you are going to tap on it, and then you are going to earn. Afterwards, you are going to click on me, and then the next thing for you to do is to click on withdrawal. So I'm going to withdraw this. Please, now if you want to withdraw, please make use of USDT BEP20 network, USDT BEP20. So let me just go and copy USDT BEP20 network address on this wallet account. You can see what I have on this wallet account. You can see my current balance, right? So I want to place a withdrawal right now. I just come here, click on receive, and I go here immediately. And then I click on this right here. I paste my USDT BEP20 network address. I'm withdrawing everything. Now I started with around 96 USDT, right? So let me just click on my password. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to register. I'll click on my password and I click on confirm. Now in the next 60 seconds, you're going to see my withdrawal arrive directly into that wallet. Please, like I said again, make use of USDT BEP20 network address. TRC20 network address, the fee is high, so I prefer BEP20. So that one will save you a lot of cost. So you can just make use of Trust Wallet for that. Now if you have any question, please make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel, and I want you guys to also participate in this alpha project, which is called Caladio Testnet Mining. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video, is in the description box. So let's go check if our withdrawal has arrived. If you have any question, you can ask me. Now if you want to sign out, now let me show you how to register. I click on sign out right here, and you see this is how it actually look like. For you to sign in, all you need to do is to use your email and password. You understand? email, set your email, set your password, or you click on phone number, you click on your phone number, you choose your country code, and that's just it. Now with this password that you use, that is what you are going to use to withdraw. So all you just need is an email and then a password. That's just it. So let's refresh and see if our withdrawal has arrived. Most definitely it has arrived. You can see it takes little or no time. You can see 26.5 USDT arrived successfully. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, kindly ask me in the comment section. I'll be there to guide you.